Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kezia. I do hair reviews, lifestyle stuff. Today we're going to be talking about this beautiful wig. She's gorgeous. If you want to know more details about this wig, continue watching.
I can see the skies. I can see the sky. See the sky. See the sky. Watch
This wig is from Upretty Hair. It is a 22-inch transparent lace, 180% density, 6x6, 6x6 closure wig, and this is in the deep wave texture. This hair is from Upretty Hair, and I'm gonna leave all of the information in the description box for you guys if you want to check it out. I don't know if you guys noticed anything different about me, but my eyebrows are looking a little different. Okay, like a lot different. I got them microbladed. Now when I say I got them microbladed, no sis, I microbladed my eyebrows myself. I did this last night. I have a kit that I use. I'm sure they're gonna fade, and I know they're looking very bold, but obviously that's gonna fade. This is just the second day, and I'm really trying to like avoid putting any makeup around there. I'm gonna keep you guys updated on this process. I'm trying to get out as many of these videos, these hair reviews as possible before they look crazy, because you guys know these eyebrows, when you do the microblading, they be looking crazy, and I can't come on camera looking crazy. So let's get back to the video. So Upretty Hair, they sent to me this wig. This is in the 22 inches, and it is 180 density. It is a 6x6 transparent lace front wig. It is a 6-inch parting space. This is actually new to me. I've never tried the 6x6, and I'm honestly loving it because one, I have a ginormous head, so my forehead does not fit that 4x4 naturally as well as I would like it. Now this 6x6 is beautiful. It is 100% glueless. You don't need glue. It does fit snug, and this is in the deep wave texture. But yeah, the lace space is from here I would say, yeah, it's about here to here. I'm trying to bring different content. I'm trying to make my wigs look different than what we're used to. One of the things that I did do differently today was I went crazy with the plucking, like absolutely crazy. As you guys saw in the styling portion of this video, I originally was gonna do a deep side part, but I felt like I had plucked too much hair for my liking. This is like the borderline maximum amount of pre-plucking I want to see on a wig. So I don't know how I feel about all the plucking that I did. And you guys see that baby hair that I did? I don't know who I think I am with these baby hairs, but it's cute. Like, it's so cute. This curl pattern is gorgeous. I want to see how big the curls can get on this wig. So let's comb through it and get it, you know, bigger. So 180% density, it seems like it's more like a 150 density to me, but let's see what it looks like when we comb through it. Ooh, she's cute. Don't forget about the back. Let me see. Is it giving me 180% density? No, it might be, yeah. I guess. Very natural, realistic looking. Like, it definitely looks like it could be your hair kind of vibe. The hair feels very soft. I did wash the hair and I also bleached the knots on my unit, and I really like it, guys, and I really like this hair. I'm a new fan of this 6x6. I'm all about it. And I think you guys should definitely check it out. If you haven't tried a 6x6 and you're used to the 4x4, this is gonna be like a whole new world for you because you're getting so much space. I definitely would recommend it. So definitely check them out. I'm gonna leave all the information in the description box for you guys. I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys, and I'll keep you posted about my eyebrows. Bye.